So in this video, I will guide you how you can make consistent characters in Midjourney AI. So first of all, I recommend you to simply click on Midjourney bot and click on the add app and simply add it into your own server. Now once you do this process, it's because your project don't get lost in the public Midjourney. So let's simply go to the server in which I have added my Midjourney bot, and what you need to do is to simply upload your particular image that you want to make the consistent characters of, and then hit enter. Now once you have uploaded your particular image, you're just gonna need to click on it and right click and click on copy link. Now once you do so, you just need to now type imagine prompt, and then you just gonna need to paste the link of your image, and then you just need to enter the prompt that you want to make your character in that situation. So simply type it. Alright, so once you have typed your particular prompt, the next and the most important thing is you just need to type dash dash and then type character weight, C for character and W for weight, and then you just need to enter it 100. Now in the Midjourney AI, now character weight means the particular person basic description, like what your subject is wearing, how their face and their hairs look like. So everything will be similar whenever you generate your prompt. So simply hit enter and you're good to go. Right now I don't have subscription, but I cannot show you the further process. If it is showing you this error, you just need to enter your prompt first, and then you just need to type CREF right in the place of character weight. Then you need to paste the image link, and then you need to type character weight and make sure it is 100. So hope this helps. This is how you can make consistent characters using Midjourney AI.